Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, the furniture in this room did not match the personality of the young girl that sleeps here. Well, we transformed it using inspiration from this bedding to get some great color in the furniture using 4 simple colors, and white really transformed this room. Let me show you how we achieve this. The products you'll need to complete this task is an orbital sander, Rust-Oleum lacquer in the 4 different colors that you require, gloss enamel, super grip, turpentine, a good quality foam roller, a paintbrush, and masking tape. The first step is to sand down your furniture using your orbital sander and 100 grit sandpaper. Wipe down the furniture with a damp cloth to get rid of all the dust. Once dry, you can paint the furniture with the Dulux Super Grip. This paint will ensure good adhesion for your enamel paint and spray paint. Let it dry for 2 hours. The next step is to apply the Fired Earth white gloss enamel using a foam roller and paintbrush. Allow it to dry for at least 3 hours between coats, preferably overnight. Lastly, mark off the areas you would like to spray paint with masking tape and newspaper. Carefully spray the slats and drawers in various colors and allow it to dry. In case of a spill or splash, use your turpentine and a cloth to wipe off the area immediately. Well, with a few simple colors, we've turned dull, boring old furniture into something very bright and vibrant. All the products we use in this inserts are available at your local Builders, in-store or online. Well, if you'd like to see more inserts just like this, all you need to do is get onto our website and click on our blog. The website address is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.